5 things that can void your roof warranty. Coming up next.
Number 1. Improper roof installation. Roofing warranties often require the installation of the roofing materials to be done in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications. If the installation is not done correctly, it can void the warranty. Number 2. Failure to maintain. Neglecting to perform regular maintenance, such as clearing debris, cleaning gutters, or addressing any leaks, can void a warranty. It is important to follow the maintenance requirements specified by the warranty. Number 3. Alterations or modifications. Making any modifications to the roofing system, such as adding solar panels or rooftop equipment, can void the warranty if not done properly. It's essential to seek approval from the manufacturer before making any decisions or alterations. Number 4. Environmental damage. Some roofing warranties may not cover damage caused by natural disasters, such as hurricanes, earthquakes, or wildfires. It is essential to read the warranty carefully to understand what is and is not covered. 5. Unauthorized repairs. Attempting to repair or full replacement without the approval of the manufacturer can void the warranty. It is important to contact the manufacturer and follow their guidelines. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.